There is a new release from Kellofaplan all about planning for some of the most fun parts of life. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and there are brand new stickers and a new paper pack from Kellofaplan that I am very excited to share with you. This is focused on some fun parts of our lives. So this new release is going to go live on Friday, January 24th. I believe it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. Central Time. And I will have a link down in the bio for you to check out. I'll also post a link on Friday morning. Thank you in advance for shopping the links. It helps me so very much on this channel. All right, if you want to check out this new release from Kellofaplan, let's do a flip through and a quick plan with me. Let's go. All right, let's start with the new Memory Planning Extension Pack. This is sized for a classic sized Happy Planner, which corresponds with the grande size over in my shop. I am super excited. People love having these individual pages to be able to just do a little bit of memory keeping instead of the overwhelming nature of full-on memory planning. Adding a few sheets here and there is always fun. So she has these labeled 2x3, 3x2. There is dot grid in the back. Let's see if it is the same. It is not the same layout the whole time. So you have some different options. A couple of pages of that, several pages of that. Let's see. I'll kind of skip ahead here. So instead of mixing them up, she has them all together. So like there's, maybe 10 pages of that layout. Then you go to a new layout. All of these are still 2x3s, but a new layout. Here's what the back looks like. Very simple, very streamlined, ready for you to add your own touches, your own stickers. You just have to be able to print out the photos. Here's another little collage format. Super cute. Let's see what the back of this one looks like in vertical. Very cool. So it looks like it's all going to be 2x3, or at least it all is so far. Skipping ahead. More 3x2. It makes it a little bit easier. I think there are some bigger photos back here. Let's see as we kind of build into it. Yeah, here's some bigger ones. This one has room for a 4x6 photo. And again, you could just put the photo and write. You don't have to do a ton of decorating. And then a 4x6 on the back. And I think that is all of the different layouts. So you get 50 sheets. I think there's 5 different layouts in here. And it's fun to just have these to just pop into your planner. Maybe you had a special event, maybe a snow week, whatever the case may be, and you want to just document a few of those pictures. I think that's a really great thing to have on hand so that you're ready to get that documenting done. All right, next up we have Mom Life. And Heather specifically said this is about some of the fun parts of mom life. Not all the tedious stuff, but the really fun parts about being a mom, which I love. Now, if you're new around here or new to Kellofaplan, she does a fabulous job of having functional stickers and decorative stickers all in one sticker book, so you don't have to grab from a million different sticker books. So it starts with the functional sticker page. It gives you a preview of what the color scheme is going to be for the decorative stickers. And then, so cute. Look at these little tykes going to school. How adorable. This has all the back to school vibes. First day of school, last day of school, awards. Oh my goodness, stop. All right, you get 2 pages of the decorative stickers. They appear to be the same. Oh, I love that. All right, this one, it has a little bit more of a fall feel. Oh, Zoo Days. So cute. Look at all the little baby animals. That's adorable. Trips to the zoo. I love it. Oh my goodness. She's right. This is the fun parts. I always like to look at the colors and then kind of try to guess what the theme is going to be. Aquarium Day. aquarium crew. That is very cute. Oh, I love it. Look at the giving. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this color scheme. Museum day. This is one my family could still use. We're not going to the zoo and the aquarium as much, but we do visit the museums here in DC. Museum nerd. That's cute. And even if you're not a mom and you still do these things, this would be really helpful. Birthdays. Throw in the birthday party. How adorable are they? That's very cute. Ooh, pretty color scheme. Mother's Day. Very appropriate. Look at the kid laying in the mom's lap. That's adorable. So fun. Some bright colors right here. Bowling. That's cute too. Bowling night. Sassy mom. That might be your teenager with you. That's funny. Ice cream party. This is something we do in our family. Love this. Sundays. That's cute. I like that. And amusement park, theme park day, all the fun things at the carnival. Born to ride roller coasters and eat snacks. So cute. Ooh, that's a pretty color scheme. Me time. Off duty, doing relaxing things. I like the off duty. That's funny. Busy resting with her donut. Those are cute. This really is focused on like the fun activity kind of days that we plan as moms. It is specific. I feel like, you know, you could use this if you weren't a mom or a parent, but even if you're like an aunt, I think these are things you would do with your niece and nephews. So that is pretty darn cute. I love that. Very cute from Heather. Then I'm super excited about this. This is Life and Leisure Volume 2. I loved the Life and Leisure sticker book, the first release. I thought it was so fun and such a good idea. This one is all about the things we do, like the hobbies that we like to do and get into. And I'm super excited to see what hobbies Heather chose this time around. All right, reading first, of course, all of our little bookworms right here. Stop it with this cute puppy in the book, the cat reading. All right, reading is a big hobby. We all know. We really like it. Again, 2 pages of the decorative stickers this time around, and they're the same page. So we have reading as a hobby. Baking. That's fun. I like the color scheme. That's pretty cute. I feel like these 2 books have more people than normal for Kellofaplan. All right, our next one after baking is, going to concerts. Concert addict, sorry, admit 1. Okay, you're gonna have to let me know down below when you see your hobby. Like, let me know what hobby fits with you. I do have a couple of friends that love going to concerts. Okay, what's this one gonna be? Animal lover. All my clothes are covered in cat hair, dog hair, don't care. For all the animal lovers, I love my cat mom. Those are adorable. Look at those animals. I'm here for that. Those are super cute. Like that. All right, this one is exercise. We have all our like Apple Watch, the weights. These ladies super sassy, going to yoga, eating healthy with their avocados and their eggs. Gratitude. This is like the healthy lifestyle. Healthy part of life and leisure. That's fun. This would be a good like inspiring spread, especially this time of year. To get back in the healthy zone. All right, this one is all the stationery things, you guys. planner girl. So I love the color scheme, first of all. And then you got the Starbucks. You have all of your little planning supplies, your little craft knife. Love that. The Post-its, the candles. Work hard, play harder. Look at this room. That's adorable. Always here for the planner girl stuff. That's for darn sure. That's adorable. I love that. Oh my goodness, these colors. Oh, I want to see what hobby this is. What? Oh, this is like hosting. Oh, look at the backyard party. If you love hosting, this might be your vibe. I'm here for that. That's fun. Maybe you just like going to wineries. That could also work. That's beautiful. Game night. Oh, that's adorable. Catan, Connect 4, Monopoly, Battleship, Scrabble, all the little game pieces, the table I love. Okay, I like the game night one a lot. That's cute. This one is movies, going to the movies, ticket stubs, all your movie tickets, all your movie things. That's fun too. I love going to the movies. Love, love. I like it. Look, see, this is my kind of movie where they bring you food. I love those movie theaters. I think they're so relaxing. And last but not least, this one is, oh, this is like the introvert sloth. If your hobby is doing nothing, then this is for you. Today, I don't feel like doing anything. Energy saving mode. These ladies are lounging, eating their favorite foods, reading, and doing all the introvert things. Well, that's fun. Snacking, yes. Those are cool. I feel like, okay, I really do like that one. I feel like my favorites go between the movies, and then I really liked game night too. I like that she picked some different hobbies than the first Life and Leisure book. Those are fun. Those are super cool. This is a fun release. Like I said, it's for the fun parts of planning, not just all the schedules and things, but like for the things we're passionate about, which I think is a really great thing to focus on in your planner. So again, these release on Friday, January 24th, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will have the links and everything down below, but right now let's do a plan with me. All right, I am working in a quad layout planner. This is the planner layout that I use for my creative journal. So I jot down a few sentences each day about what's going on, how I'm feeling, generally in the mornings when I'm sitting down and going through my planner routine. And I opted to use the Life and Leisure Volume 2 sticker book. I think this is just a fun idea. I feel like so many times in our planners, we are focused on the to-dos, the tasks, the things that just you have to do as an adult. And I think it's awesome to kind of celebrate the fun parts of life as well, including getting set for some fun movies. I love going to the movies. I especially love, like I said before, going to a movie place that has the option to order food to your seat. Like I am here for that. So we're going to do a little movie celebration on this spread, and hopefully this will inspire me to take a little time for myself and go see a movie this week. That would be awesome. Let me know down below, what movies have you seen recently that you are loving? The last movie that I went to see was actually Sonic 3 with my kiddos. But before that, we did go see Wicked, and I loved it. So maybe I'll just go see Wicked again. That would be pretty cool. All right, so on this page, I'm going to create some different clusters around boxes. Now, this is a creative journal. What do I put in the boxes? I will write affirmations. I will write big words or thoughts, anything like that. So I don't mind having boxes on this spread. And on the left side, I wanted a couple of different large clusters. And on the right side, I really wanted to focus around the movie screen. So that's what I kind of aimed for as I was starting to put the stickers on the page. Apparently I was feeling very ambitious today because I'm putting stickers directly on the page with no sticker guide, like no net Look at me just going for it, just planning. I do end up having to move stickers around. They come up really easily. So that's a big plus with this particular sticker book. Now, I really felt like there were a lot of rectangles. Like because I was going to use the box, there were lots of lines being formed. And so I opted to bring in washi tape. These are a couple of washi tapes from my stash. I have this deep red that has a gold pattern in it. I don't know where that one came from. The dark blue grid washi is from Planything, one of my favorites of hers. And I'm layering the washi both in front of and behind the boxes so that it's not the same way each time. That creates a little bit more interest, a little bit more going on the page. And I wanted to avoid putting washi at the top and the bottom. That's my go-to for decorating this particular layout, and I will most certainly be going back and doing it again. But for this one, I wanted to do something a little bit different. So you'll notice there is no washi at the top, no washi at the bottom. We're going to focus the washi on the inside of the spread this time around. Now, everywhere that I have a box, I am including a decorative sticker as well. I think with these two sticker books, both the Mom Life and Life and Leisure Volume 2, I feel like Heather did a really good job. There's a lot of smaller stickers. Sometimes in some of these decorative sticker books, we get a bunch of large, high impact stickers. But then you don't get to play with as many on the page because you have such a big one that's making, you know, a big statement. You can't compete with a lot of big ones on your page. So I like that a lot of these stickers are smaller. I also think that lends itself really nicely to smaller sticker books, especially if, or sorry, smaller planners, especially if you're using this, the grande size, or perhaps the tall or mini happy planner. These are still going to work really well. They also would work well in a monthly layout because they're not so big that you can't put them within the pages of your monthly to celebrate, I don't know, movie dates or something like that. So keep that in mind. I like having the different size stickers. I like some of these smaller ones because I feel like they're more versatile in my planning. All right, so I am pulling from Kellofaplan Dated Basics. I think this is volume, I don't know, the most recent volume. That's what we're going to go with. And I am actually going to cover up the days of the week with a fun font and then use these numbers from that same book where you can actually color them in because I'm going to color them in with red and blue to coordinate with the spread. So we're going to go ahead and redate or just date this at all because this was undated spread and we're going to add those in. I'm noticing I forgot to color in my little section at the top that says week of, so that is certainly something I will add when I sit down to start actually planning in this particular spread. I really am enjoying using the date stickers and changing it up from week to week so that they don't look the same week in and week out. I think that adds an interesting element to change up your spreads as you go through the year. So I just finished my 2024 flip through of my catch-all, and I do like to see how things change. So it's nice to see that the dates, you can change those up pretty easily as well. All right, so I'm coloring in these numbers, and then the last thing I'm going to do is pull from the Rainbow Quotes sticker book from Kellofaplan to add a couple of quotes on the page, and that is going to be it. So don't forget, this release goes live on January the 24th. I believe that's a Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You have the Mom Life, you have Life and Leisure, and the Memory Planning Extension Packs. So be sure to check those out. I will have my link in the description box below. Thank you in advance for shopping that link. It really does help my channel out so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I also want to give a huge shout out to my amazing Patreon community. We are having a fabulous time. There's tons of bonus videos, extra content, and a creative workbook to inspire you all year long. If you're interested in finding out more, you can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.